This is beyond the cosmos. It's where the universe reveals its deepest secrets. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the night sky, wondering if we are truly alone. Billions of stars, countless planets, endless possibilities, yet the universe is silent. Not a whisper, not a signal, not a single sign of intelligent life. Why is the cosmos quiet? What if this silence isn't a mere coincidence, but a warning? In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a question that still echoes through the halls of science: where is everybody? This question, now known as the Fermi Paradox, captures a terrifying reality. The universe is vast, ancient, and filled with potential. Life should have emerged elsewhere. Civilizations could be millions of years ahead of us, and yet there is silence. Some explanations are hopeful. Maybe intelligent life is too far away, or perhaps civilizations self-destruct before achieving interstellar communication, but the truth could be far darker. Scientists have proposed the concept of the Great Filter, a series of obstacles along the path from simple life to advanced civilization. Somewhere along this path, almost every species fails. The filter might be behind us, perhaps the emergence of life or the leap to intelligence is extraordinarily rare, but the more chilling possibility is that the Great Filter lies ahead. If that is the case, civilizations inevitably reach a point of no return. They may develop technologies too powerful to control or encounter threats in the galaxy that wipe them out. The cosmic silence could be the sound of civilizations meeting their doom before they can communicate with the stars. A haunting theory known as the dark forest theory offers another explanation. Imagine the universe as an enormous forest, dark and quiet. Every civilization is a hunter, moving cautiously, silently, and invisibly. To reveal oneself is to risk annihilation because no one knows the intentions of others. In such a universe, silence is not just caution, it is survival. Perhaps every civilization that becomes advanced enough to communicate has learned the same lesson. Revealing your existence is too dangerous. The cosmos is quiet because everyone is hiding, watching, and waiting. Despite decades of searching, humanity has found no evidence of intelligent life. Projects like SETI have scanned thousands of stars, listening for radio signals, laser pulses, and even signs of alien megastructures. Every attempt has failed. Some argue that aliens communicate in ways beyond human understanding, using methods we have yet to discover. Others suggest a more disturbing reason. Intelligent life might universally choose silence, understanding that the wrong signal could mean destruction. Perhaps every advanced civilization learns to stay hidden, and that is why the galaxy is deafeningly silent. This silence is terrifying because it forces us to confront our own future. If advanced civilizations inevitably self-destruct or hide, what does that mean for humanity? We have already glimpsed the destructive potential of our technology, nuclear weapons, climate change, artificial intelligence. Could these be steps along the same path that extinguished countless other civilizations? Or are we just early enough to survive, sitting quietly in our corner of the galaxy, hoping that the hunters are too far away to find us? Some scientists propose that intelligent civilizations might destroy themselves without even realizing it, caught in cycles of expansion and conflict. Others speculate that contact with extraterrestrial life could be the ultimate trigger for catastrophe. Perhaps a civilization's first attempt at communication invites predators or awakens cosmic dangers we cannot comprehend. The very act of reaching out could be fatal, which explains why no one has called and why no one answers. Consider the possibility that advanced civilizations observe the galaxy with the same caution we imagine. Every signal, every technological signature, every attempt to expand is a risk. To survive, civilizations may have developed an instinct for discretion, an innate understanding that silence is safety. The cosmos could be teeming with life, civilizations flourishing, but all choosing invisibility as their only strategy. We might be alone in not yet understanding the rules of survival in this cosmic game. Even within our own history, we see echoes of this behavior. Human civilizations have often fallen because of overreach, conflict, or failure to adapt. Scale that up to a galactic level, and it becomes clear why civilizations might not last long enough to contact others. Survival may not depend on intelligence or technology alone, but on patience, discretion, and sometimes ruthless caution. The aliens we imagine may not be silent because they lack ability. They may be silent because survival demands it. There's also a more subtle possibility. The universe itself might be inherently hostile. Cosmic hazards like gamma-ray bursts, supernovae, or rogue black holes can annihilate life without warning. Life may be common, but intelligent life capable of interstellar communication might be extraordinarily rare. Every civilization may emerge only to be snuffed out before it ever learns to call across the stars. The silence we hear could be the result of countless civilizations meeting the unforgiving realities of a dangerous universe. Some scientists suggest a middle ground. Life may exist, but intelligent life is rare or self-limiting. Civilizations might exist briefly, then fade, leaving only remnants too subtle for us to detect. Our search methods may simply be inadequate, tuned for the wrong signals at the wrong time. The silence may not be absolute. It may be a cosmic whisper just beyond our comprehension. But what if the silence is intentional? What if civilizations actively avoid contact with emerging species like humanity? Perhaps there are galactic rules we cannot perceive, or survival strategies that require isolation. We may be in a cosmic quarantine, not yet ready for contact, or too risky to reveal our existence. In this scenario, silence is not just a consequence, it is a strategy, a form of cosmic self-preservation enforced by countless invisible actors across the stars. This leads to a chilling thought. If other civilizations hide, they may also monitor, calculating the risk of revealing themselves or allowing others to rise. Every attempt at communication, every probe we send might be scrutinized by unseen eyes. The universe may be more like a carefully balanced game of survival than an open playground for exploration. Silence may not be a mystery, but a rule enforced by the harsh logic of the cosmos. The implications for humanity are profound. We are young, curious, and technologically capable, but fragile. Our future may depend not on conquest, exploration, or expansion, but on understanding the invisible rules that govern life in the galaxy. Perhaps the most important discovery we can make is not finding aliens, but understanding why we have not found them. The silence is not empty. It is a lesson, a warning, a mirror reflecting our own potential fate. Even as we search, we must consider the possibility that intelligent life is out there, but hidden, silent, and cautious. The galaxy may be full of civilizations, each carefully guarding its existence. Each is aware that one wrong move could spell extinction. And in that awareness, they remain silent, invisible, and perhaps wiser than we are. The universe may appear empty to us, but that emptiness is deceptive. Beneath the calm, stars continue to burn, planets continue to spin, and life, intelligent and fragile, may exist, hidden behind the veil of silence. Our task is not just to search, but to learn the rules of survival that govern this vast, mysterious expanse. To understand why aliens are silent may be to understand our own place in the cosmos and the path we must take to survive in a universe that is as beautiful as it is merciless. In the end, the silence of the stars is not just a mystery, it is a message. The terrifying reason aliens are silent may not be because they are absent, but because they know something we do not. A truth written across the galaxy in quiet, invisible ink, and until we decipher it, we are left to listen, to wonder, and to tread carefully in a universe that holds its secrets close and rewards those who do the same.